Humboldt penguins are a unique species native to the coasts of South America, especially around Peru and Chile. They are excellent swimmers and can reach impressive speeds underwater. These penguins are named after the Humboldt Current, which influences their habitat and food sources. They have distinctive black head markings and a white face, making them easy to identify. Humboldt penguins are social birds, nesting in colonies, and their conservation is vital due to threats like overfishing and habitat disruption.